All right. So again, these little tweezers are coming in so handy. So again, and I'm going to take my Q-tip, just gently rub a little lubricant on this washer. And I already did some on the other side. Look how nice these tweezers work. They're just absolutely amazing. So you guys are getting to watch the very end here, the most exciting part. Putting this all back together. It's a coming. It's a coming. It's a coming. There we go. And I'm just twisting the blade a little bit gently until it locks in. Take the pivot screw. And again, I'm going to take, is this the right size? Yeah. No. With my fingers here, we're going to go rotate counterclockwise until we feel the screw settle in. Then just take our fingers. Yeah. Oh, you know what happened here? Yeah, actually, I think we're just gonna try. Well, that didn't work. We'll be right back.